A 1099 form is an IRS tax document used in the United States to report various types of income that individuals or businesses receive during the tax year. Unlike the W-2 form, which is used by employers to report wages and salary income for employees, the 1099 form is used to report income that doesn't come from traditional employment. Here's an explanation of the key aspects of 1099 forms. Types of 1099 forms. There are several different types of 1099 forms, each designated by a specific number and letter. Some common types include 1099 NEC. This form is used to report non-employee compensation, such as payments made to independent contractors, freelancers, or self-employed individuals for services provided. Starting in tax year 2020, non-employee compensation was separated from the 1099 miscellaneous and reported on the 1099 NEC. 1099 miscellaneous. This form is used to report various types of miscellaneous income, including rents, royalties, prizes and awards, and other income not reported on other 1099 forms. 1099 INT, used to report interest income earned from bank accounts, loans, or investments. 1099 DIV, used to report dividends and distributions from investments in stocks and mutual funds. 1099B, used to report proceeds from broker and barter exchange transactions, such as the sale of stocks, bonds, or other securities. 1099G, reports certain government payments, such as unemployment compensation or state tax refunds. 1099R, used to report distributions from retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. 1099K, typically issued to individuals or businesses by payment processors, like PayPal or credit card companies, to report income received through electronic payment methods. Recipient information. Similar to the W-2, each 1099 form contains information about the recipient of the income, including their name, address, and taxpayer identification number, usually a social security number or employer identification number. Payer information. The form also includes information about the entity or person who made the payment, including their name, address, and taxpayer identification number. Income reporting. The primary purpose of the 1099 form is to report the amount of income received by the recipient during the tax year. This amount is reported in a specific box on the form, depending on the type of income being reported. Withholding and deductions. Some 1099 forms may also include information about tax withholding, such as backup withholding for certain types of income. Additionally, there may be boxes to indicate any federal or state income tax withheld from the payments. Filing deadlines. Payers are required to provide copies of 1099 forms to recipients by January 31st of the year following the tax year in which the income was earned. They are also required to submit these forms to the IRS and, in some cases, to state tax authorities by specific deadlines. Tax reporting. Recipients of 1099 forms must report the income they receive on their federal and state income tax returns. It's essential to accurately report this income, as the IRS receives copies of these forms and cross-checks them with individual tax returns. It's crucial for both payers and recipients of 1099 forms to ensure accuracy and compliance with tax regulations. If you receive a 1099 form, be sure to include the income on your tax return and consult a tax professional if you have questions about how to report it correctly.